in pursuance with the orders and instructions of the Commissioner of Collegiate Education, Government of Telangana, I, Dr. B. Krishnachandra Kirti, Assistant Professor of English, Dr. BRR Government College, Jadcherla, Palmore University, would like to discuss a grammar topic today. The topic is articles. There are 8 parts of speech in English. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. There are different types of adjectives, and articles are demonstrative adjectives. We have three types of articles: the indefinite article, the definite article, and the zero article. A and an are the two indefinite articles. The is the definite article. Zero article is the context where no articles are needed. They are to be omitted. Concept of indefinite and definite articles. A and an are called indefinite articles because they do not refer to any specific person, place, or thing. They are used in general terms. The is referred to as definite article since it points out to some particular place, person, or thing. So this article is used in specific terms. Usage of indefinite article A. Let us see where the indefinite article A is used. The indefinite article A is used before words beginning with consonant letters with consonant sounds. In the usage of indefinite articles, whether it is a or an, the sound is important and not the letters. So in the English alphabet, we have 26 letters, 21 consonants, and 5 vowels. But it's not the consonant letters or the vowel letters that matters, but it is the consonant sounds or the vowel sounds that matter. So let us see an example: a boy, a man, a ball, a tree, etc. These are the words with consonant letters in the beginning and consonant sounds: B in boy, man in M, B in ball, and T in tree. Before words beginning with vowel letters with consonant sounds. There are exceptions to this general rule. There are vowel letters which give or produce consonant sounds. Let us see the examples. By looking at the examples, it will be clear. A university which begins with U, a vowel letter. A European which begins with the word begins with E, a vowel letter. A young boy, a one-eyed man. One-eyed man, the first letter is O, which is a vowel letter but which produces consonant sound. A unit, U is a vowel letter which produces consonant sound. Union, a vowel letter to begin with, but it produces a consonant sound. So these are the contexts where the indefinite article A is used generally. Let us look at the usage of indefinite article an. The indefinite article an is used before words beginning with words with vowel letters and vowel sounds. So we have five vowel letters: A, E, I, O, U. Vowel sounds are light sounds, unstressed. An apple, the first letter is a vowel letter, and it gives vowel sound. An ox, O, vowel letter, vowel sound. An egg, vowel letter, vowel sound. An ink bottle, an interesting story, vowel letter, vowel sound. An orphan, vowel letter, vowel sound. An ulcer, consonant sound but vowel letter. An uncle. So before words beginning with consonant letters with vowel sounds. Example, an hour. In the word hour, H is a consonant letter, but it gives vowel sound. It is light and unstressed. An honest boy, H is a consonant letter which produces vowel sound. Before abbreviations with vowel sounds, they are consonant letters. They begin with consonant letters but produce vowel sounds. For example, he is an MA, an MLA, an MP, an MBA, etc. So let us observe some other contexts about the usage of indefinite articles a or an. In numerical sense means number wise, in the sense of one. For example, I bought a pen. Please wait for a minute. Please wait a minute. Wait for a minute. In the sense of every. Example, he visits them twice a month. I go to library thrice a year. So, in the sense of some, single, or any. Example, I didn't say even a single word against him. A single word against him. We also use a in exclamations, a or an, before single countable nouns. What a lovely rose. In certain phrases also, we use a or an. As a rule, as a matter of fact, make a mistake, at a loss. So these are the phrases in which we use articles. They form a part of the phrase with certain numbers: 100, 1,000, a quarter, a trio, an octave, a sestet, etc., a quatrain, etc. In expressions of price, speed, and ratio, also we make use of these indefinite articles. We bought the apples at the rate of rupees 100 per kg, 100 a kg, a kilogram, rupees 10 a kg, 3 times a day, 4 times a year, etc. Before certain countable nouns preceded by noun plus of the preposition, followed by the preposition of. Example, if we look at the example, he gave me a piece of advice. He added a pinch of salt to the curry, to the dish. On an average, his salary is 10,000 a month. Before salutations also, we use the indefinite articles. A Mr. Gupta, that means that person is unknown to us, is a stranger to us. If we use Mr. Gupta without article, without the use of article, it means that he is a known person to us. Before a proper noun, to make it a common noun. For example, she is a Cleopatra. That means she is beautiful in the sense. She is really beautiful. And she is a Cleopatra indicates that we want to make her a common figure. Usage of indefinite articles with a noun complement. Example, she is a great dancer. In certain expressions of quantity also, we make use of these articles, a and an. A lot of, a few, a dozen. We bought a dozen bananas yesterday. A little. Before a singular, countable noun in general sense to represent a class of things. A dog is a very faithful animal. An elephant is a domestic animal. A or an is used with positives and comparatives. So, with reference to adjectives, we have 3 degrees: positive, minimal level, comparative, and superlative, the maximum level. In a single sentence, if we make use of positive and comparatives, when we compare two things, we use a. This is a big house, but that is a bigger one. We compare the two houses in terms of size with some abstract nouns in a particular sense, but in the singular number only. It is a shame on your part. He is an asset to the institution. So here, shame is an abstract noun. After the words many, rather, such, quite, etc. I have many a friend. When we use a after many, it refers to the plural noun. It appears to be singular, but in terms of meaning, it is plural. I have many a friend means I have many friends. I would rather have an enemy like him. That means I would prefer to have an enemy like him. After an adjective preceded by so, as, to, how, quite, etc. It is too heavy a hardship for me. That means the hardship is unbearable. He is not so generous a man to help others. That means he is not at all generous to help others. We use indefinite articles, a and an, before a countable noun mentioned for the first time and in the narration of stories. For example, there is a man on the road. We use the man on the road wears a blue hat. In the second sentence, we used the to refer to the man. In the first sentence, we do not know anything about him. We are not specific. We just introduced him. And in the second sentence, the reference has been made to the same person. So we are using the definite article. In the narration of stories, also we use indefinite article. There lives a singer in our street. Once there lived a king. That means in the past there lived a king. Once upon a time there was a kingdom by name Ramapuram. Like that. repetition of articles a and an. For example, she has a blue and a black pen. That means she has two pens, one in blue color and one in black color. Blue colored pen and a black colored pen. She possesses two pens. The indefinite articles a and an are always followed after the word half. He gave me half a rupee. She returned within half an hour. They gave me 1.5 rupee. See, the articles are followed by half in the first two instances, in the first two sentences, and in the third sentence, the article A precedes half. They gave me 1.5 rupee in the plural sense. Before a noun which is repeated after it has been introduced one. Before adjectives in superlative degree. So he is the tallest boy in the class. For example, let us say there are some 10 or 40 or 100 students and he is the tallest of all the boys in the class. Superlative degree, maximum. When adjectives in comparative degree are used twice in a sentence, this is an exception, this is a special case wherein uh, comparative degree is used, an adjective in comparative degree is used twice in a single sentence to bring about the effect. For example, emphasis is there. The higher you go, the cooler it gets. So we use the definite article here. That the more you study, the better you can score. So likewise, before epics, we use the definite article the. Before epics, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Bible, the Quran, the Gita, etc. Before sobriquets. So, before sobriquets also we use the definite article the. Cuba is the sugar bowl of the world. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan is the frontier Gandhi. Subhash Chandra Bose or Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is the Iron Man or the Steel Man of India. Before oceans also we use the definite article the Pacific, the Arctic, the Atlantic, the Hindu, the Arabian, etc. The Arabic. Usage of definite article before seas. The Red Sea, the Caspian Sea, the Dead Sea, the Baltic Sea, etc. The Black Sea, etc. Before brand names, before all the brand names, we use the definite article. The Colgate, the Peter England, the Cello, the Palmolive, etc. The Raymonds, the Digjam. Before bays, gulfs, canals, and straits also we use the Hudson Bay, the Persian Gulf, the Suez Canal, the Panama Canal, the Gibraltar, the Park Strait, the English Channel. Usage of definite article the before names of species of plants and flowers. When we mention particularly, specifically before the names of flowers or trees also, we use the definite article. The rose, the devdar, etc. Before names of mountains, soils, rivers, valleys, sanctuaries, gardens, etc. The Himalayas, the Alps, the Vindhyas, the Satpuras, the Aravalis, the black soil, the red soil, the laterite soil. Before volcanoes also the Fusiyama, and before rivers, the Penna, the Godavari, the Ganges, the Kaveri, valleys, the Chambal Valley, the Araku Valley, the Kashmir Valley, sanctuaries, the Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary, before gardens, the Brindavan Gardens, before relative pronouns, I found the pen which I lost last week. That means I lost a pen last week and I found that pen which I lost last week. The man I met at the store, whom I met or who I met at the store, is my cousin. To indicate universal figures or unique things, the sun rises in the east, the moon shines in the sky, etc. Before adjectives in positive degree, to give plural meaning. For example, the poor are the blessed, the rich always exploit the poor. Here, the poor means the poor people, and the rich means the rich people. We also use the definite article to indicate specificity in persons, places, or things. For example, the top, the bottom portion of the cloth is torn. The right, to the turn to the right, the left, the and likewise before abstract nouns and material nouns also. The gold obtained from gold fields is impure. So the gold is a material noun. It refers to gold, the metal. The metal obtained from the gold fields is impure. It has to be purified. The patience he showed is praiseworthy. Patience is a quality, it is an abstract noun. Usage of definite article the. Before common nouns, to denote a particular person, place, or thing. The man in disguise is a detective. It refers to that particular man who is in disguise. To represent a class of people, the beggars find it difficult to make their both ends meet. The beggars, a class of people. Before races or nationality, the Portuguese, the Indians, the English, the Dutch, the Spanish, the Eskimos, the pygmies, the Negroes, the whites, the blacks, etc. Usage of definite article the before nouns with the addition of a phrase or a class. So we qualify, we complement or supplement some information. We we give some additional information to the woman. The woman in distress is my aunt. The girl in blue dress is my sister. Before only and numerals used as adjectives. The first page of the book contains contents. First, last, third, fourth, etc. etc. He is the only man who escaped the accident. So many experienced the accident, and he is the only man who survived, who escaped the accident. Instead of personal or possessive adjectives, he hit me on the face. So we generally tend to use he hit me on my face. Rather than using my face, my is a personal or possessive adjective. Rather than using my, our, his or her, your, their, etc., personal or possessive adjectives, it's always better to use the definite article in while using body parts, we use the definite article the. He hit me on the face. Before nouns with special emphasis. That is the pen I am looking for. That means I am searching for. I am looking for. I am waiting for the bus numbered 217, etc. Now is the right time to act. So that means specifically we are mentioning, we are referring to a point of time. This is the same problem he faced. The same problem. We are referring to the problem which has been mentioned earlier. Half the books were spoiled. Just like half a rupee, half the books were spoiled. After uh, half, we are using the article. Before directions, the Middle East, the North of Africa, before etc. Before nations which are unions, the United States of America, the USA or the US, the United Soviet Socialist Republic, the USSR. If we say America or Russia, we don't use any article. But if we refer to the Republic, the Federation, the United States of America and the United Soviet Socialist Republic, we need to use the definite article the. Before proper nouns which are qualified by an adjective or adjectival clause. Shakespeare the Great, Akbar the Great, etc. Before proper nouns with titles. Telugu is the Italian of the East. He is the Shakespeare of our college, etc. Before common nouns to make them particular. The place where I studied is well known to all. He is the Kalidasa of the modern times. Before adjectives in comparative degree, when two persons, men or women, are compared, and if we want to express who is better of the two, we use the definite article before the adjective in comparative degree. She is the cleverer of the two girls. Before proper nouns preceded by adjectives. The late Mr. Gupta is a philanthropist, lover of mankind. The late is an adjective. Mr. Gupta is philanthropist, a philanthropist. Before a common noun to give it the form of an abstract noun. Finally, the mother in her woke up. So her motherhood came out at last. It was aroused, that means. Before the names of famous historical events, the First World War, the Quit India movement, the mutiny of sepoys, etc. Before some proper nouns with adjective plus noun or noun plus noun, that means in conjugation, the State Bank of India, the Statue of Liberty, with the names of clans, the Chatterjees, the Kapoors, the Guptas, etc. Before titles, the Maharaja of Vijayanagar. Before the names of political parties, the Indian National Congress, the Bharatiya Janata Party, etc. Before collective nouns, the army, the navy, the jury, the police, the air force, etc. Before body parts, the head, the stomach, the eyes, the ears, the cheeks, etc. Before historical places or monuments. Example, if we look at the example, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, before titles or ranks, the Honorable Prime Minister, the Reverend President of India, etc. before the dates of the month, the 5th of April, the 21st of June, etc. Before common nouns, when specifically referred to. He went to the hospital to see the supervisor. Generally, we do not use the before hospital. We refer to a and supervisor. These two are common nouns, but we are referring to particular hospital and particular person, supervisor. In phrases for expressing time, in the morning, whereas at night, except there is an exception also. We do not use any article when we mention at night, at noon, etc., in the morning, in the evening, etc. And we have some zero articles. Zero articles means here articles need to be omitted. The context where a and indefinite articles and the definite article the are to be omitted. No article is needed. The context where no article is needed. Before uncountable nouns, etc. For example, material nouns or some other nouns, common nouns. Sugar, milk, gold, news, advice, furniture, scenery, etc. Some nouns can be used as countable nouns or uncountable nouns. Paper. Here we sometimes use the articles and sometimes we omit the articles. Paper. He gave me a piece of paper. Give me that paper. The tool is made of glass. No article is needed. And please bring me a glass of water. Here article A is used. I like the, I like the Punjabi dress. I am not interested in any dress. Here no article is used. So likewise, plural countables used in a general sense. I don't like movies. Here before movies we do not use any articles. Before collective nouns, the theatre is filled with people. We don't use any article before people. Before relations, father, mother, aunt, uncle, cook, etc. We don't use any article. Before social institutions also, we don't use any article. School, home, temple, church, mosque, etc. But there is an exception to this general rule. When we specifically mention any particular uh, school or home or temple or church or mosque, we need to use an article, whether it is a or an or the. For example, the brilliant grammar school, the cathedral church, etc. Specifically, we are referring that to those particular social institutions. Before common nouns such as family, nurse, dinner, breakfast, cook, principal, chairman. He invited me to a dinner. So I have had a good dinner. So we don't use any article. Before nouns followed by as president of this country, he did many things. He is an aspirant to the post of collector. So before collector, we don't use any article. Before proper nouns, now names or places or things, Rama, city, Rama, Gita, Madras, anything, London, etc. Before common nouns in plural number, fruits are good for health. Before fruits, we do not use any article. Before names of languages, games, metals, diseases, colors, days, and months. I love English. I can speak Hindi. He plays hockey. She wears gold. I like white color. Sunday is my favorite day. April is the pleasantest of all the months. Before names of professions or titles preceded by proper nouns. General Krishna Rao, President Musharraf. Before common nouns like man, woman, God, we do not use any article. Before epics preceded by authors. Generally, we use definite article before epics, the Mahabharata, the Ramayana, the Gita, the Bible, the Quran, etc. But if the epics are mentioned along with the authors, they do not take any article. Milton's Paradise Lost, Shakespeare's Othello. Before common nouns, following the verb in certain well established phrases. He could not set foot in this country. Before abstract nouns used in a general sense. Honesty is the best policy. Before honesty, we do not use honesty is an abstract quality, an abstract noun. We do not use any article. It never takes an article. Before common nouns used in pairs, he worked day and night. His father and mother love him. Before proper nouns, the names of games, continents, countries, cities, towns, villages, lakes, days, months, etc. I play cricket. We live in India. Before the word nature, no article is needed. Before a body parts and possessive personal adjective, no article is needed. Raise your fingers. He put on his shirt. Before mountains or islands which are singular, generally we use the definite article before mountains. If they are used in plural context, the Himalayas, the Vindhyas, the Satpuras, the Aravalis, the Alps, etc. But if a particular mountain is mentioned in a singular context, Everest, the highest of the Himalayas, is very difficult to climb. He visited Ceylon last year.